Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, let's take a look at the gold market. And the gold market, as all the other markets, we do not see any significant action still, as we have suggested that since the major geopolitical solutions have been postponed on the weekend and the next week, it's probably that led market to stay on its own and will be driven by its own factors, the fundamental data from the United States, the technical, some technical moments, and right now we see this is happening. So as yesterday we've got rather positive ADP report that has pressed on the gold market, and gold has continued and moved lower. In general, this could be the chain reaction on reaching the consecutive targets to the downside. In short term, we have the 1160, 1150, 1130 targets, but all of them could be united into some logical chain of the downward action, because if we'll take a look at the bigger picture, we saw on the monthly chart that market wasn't able to pass through the yearly pivot point and return it back down and move right now below the yearly pivot. That means that the next target from the pivot points framework on the monthly chart stands the yearly pivot support one that's approximately 1080. That's the one moment. The second moment is that in fact these lows 1140, 1130 already has been tested. So market has tried to jump out of it, has failed since it wasn't able to pass through the 1225, 1250 resistance and return it back down. This is the bearish sign, and in most cases when this is happening, the levels that were tested previously usually will not hold, and market has significant chance to break through it. That's why 1160 is just intermediate target, it's a permanent target in the short-term perspective. Right, for the current week, and you can see that market right now is approaching, almost has hit. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have major pattern that's just a bit deeper action. It's approximately 1150, and also it has the inner ABCD pattern that also points at the same area. So our suggestion is that yes, that's our target. By the way, you can see that this is 1160, this weekly pivot support point. But we think that market hardly will stop here for a long time. It's probably reach it, feel some support, maybe to show some bounce here to retest these lows. But later we expect that market probably will continue lower. Also guys, remember what we have said about these lows. This is very significant lows, because if market will taken out of these lows, it will erase opportunity for that butterfly. It's left wing, that could become right wing to the upside. That's the first moment. The second moment, market finally and absolutely will erase this ABCD pattern, this big pattern to the upside. Both patterns will be destroyed by this taking out of these lows. Market right now stands at the eve of this moment. So our major pattern to watch for in the short-term perspective still this butterfly mostly. And finally, on the hourly chart, I could show you another pattern, small ABCD. Right now stands in progress. That's approximately has the same targets, 1158. That's very close to 1160. This inner ABCD here, approximately with the same target. So probably till the end of the week market will reach it. I do not know. Tomorrow probably gold market will be closed, or at least it will be rather thin. That's why hardly to expect any drastic correction till the end of the week. But it seems that market probably will complete as the 1160, as the 1185, 58, this ABCD pattern, and that will be our target on the current week, and probably it will be hit.